The cheese. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. The chicken with the cheese melt together. Smells perfect. Oh my god. Oh, it's crunchy.
Hello everyone, this is ChefX. Today we will make a sambosa and some people name it as a chicken roll. Let's start.
First, to cut the chicken, bring the blinder, the chicken, then put the chicken, the pot, chicken on the fire, then bring some olive oil, put on the chicken olive to mix it. Now bring some spices, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Put together on the chicken, and bring some olive oil and put it on the top. Mix it and keep it on the fire for it so get brown to golden color. Bring some onion to cut the onion like all pieces because we needed chicken sambosa. Back to the food pot, the chicken, cover it. Some flour, water. I'll tell you why we need the flour with water. Mix the flour and water back to the chicken and make it small pieces. Bring the onion, put the onion above the chicken with the onion. Bring some peas and carrots and put it above the chicken. Have to mix the peas and carrot with the chicken. Bring some black olives. Mix it with the chicken, put it all together till you find it. Bring the plate, put the chicken on the plate, the chicken with a plate and some American cheese, mixer, water with the flour. Bring a big plate to put the sambosa on it. This is sambosa leaves, you can find it at any store. Bring it from Beets. If you don't have Beets, maybe you can find it on the Walmart. The leaves of the sambosa. Put the sambosa leaves on the table and cover it. Sure you cover it. If you don't cover it, it will be dry. Teach you how to make it. The first triangle, second triangle, put the chicken on it. And put the cheese first, then a chicken. You can put the chicken, then the cheese. Now I will put the cheese after I put the chicken. To close the sambosa, some with water, close the sambosa. This. It's a triangle. Repeat the same thing again and again. To make it again for you, so you have to make the first triangle, the second, and put the cheese or the chicken as you like. Put the cheese, then the chicken in it, and close it. Put mix of the water and the flour in the top to close it. Keep repeating the same thing till you get that plate. Put some mozzarella cheese. You can mix the cheese with another cheese with it. People make it with the American cheese. Some people make it with another cheese. It's okay. The same thing. Triangles, cheese in it, flour, water to close it. This is the plate. Now put the oil on the fire. A little bit on the fire. It's hot. Put all the sambosa in the oil. Flip the sambosa. Keep flip it. We don't want it black. As been brown. See? Been brown. Just finished the sambosa. The cheese. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Wow. The chicken with the cheese melt together. Smells perfect. Oh my god. Oh, it's crunchy.
I hope you like the cheesy sambosa and the chicken sambosa, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel to make it big, to make more cooking food to you, and bye!